We have all been there. It is 3 a.m., staring at the ceiling. Your brain refuses to shut down. Calculating your remaining hours of sleep only makes you more anxious. Frustration kicks in. You overthink every mistake and worry about tomorrow's exhaustion. This endless cycle of insomnia destroys your energy and ruins your focus. But what if you could command your brain to shut down? Enter the military sleep method. Developed by the U.S. Navy to help fighter pilots sleep anywhere in under 2 minutes. Here is exactly how you do it. Step 1. Completely relax your face. Release the tension in your jaw and forehead. This physical signal tells your brain it is safe to rest. Step 2. Drop your shoulders. Force them as low as they can possibly go. Let your arms hang dead by your sides, completely loose and heavy. Step 3. Focus on your breathing. Take a deep breath in, then exhale slowly, relaxing your chest. Pushing the air out naturally drops your heart rate into deep calm. Step 4. Relax your lower body. Start with your thighs, move to your calves, and finally your toes. Imagine your entire body sinking heavily into the mattress. Step 5. Clear your mind for exactly 10 seconds. The military suggests picturing yourself lying perfectly still in a canoe, floating on a quiet lake under a clear blue sky. If visualization fails, use this backup trick. Whenever anxious thoughts sneak in, repeat the words, don't think, for 10 seconds. This entirely blocks your brain from processing stress. This method boasts a 96% success rate, but it takes 6 weeks of practice to train your nervous system. Try it tonight, take back your sleep, and wake up unstoppable.